I want to go get gelato right now. I'll be back. See you soon. I'll be right back.
We gotta finish the video.
Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna be ranking some satisfying food videos. 1 to 10. 1, I'm not that satisfied. 10, I'm feeling very satisfied. I could watch this for hours. If you guys are enjoying these Ro React videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, so my boyfriend Mike, he has picked out some food videos, and I'm gonna be watching them for the first time right now. Let's roll the footage. Let's rank these videos.
Are you ready to be satisfied?
I'm very ready to be satisfied. Okay, I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm in the mood for this. Oh my gosh, what is she doing? So many mangoes. Whoa. Why is there no seeds? Oh, that was such a clean scoop. Wow. Everything about this video is satisfying. She's in this beautiful location. There's tons of mangoes, and then she's cutting the mango open in one cut with this big knife, and then she's doing these circle scoops with a spoon. And look at this, there's no seeds, no pit. I don't know what's in a mango, but there's nothing. The food's impressive and she's impressive. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. We're starting with the 10. I don't know how anything could be more satisfying than this. I could watch this video on repeat for hours. Ooh, oranges. Ooh, now they're cutting the fruit. Okay, that was pretty satisfying. I feel like I could smell the oranges. As he's squeezing the orange, I'm like, I want to drink it like a luge. This is really making me want freshly squeezed orange juice, and luckily, I've got a bunch of orange trees in my backyard, so I might go make myself a glass after this. What have we got here? We have a bar of chocolate and they're dripping something on top of it. Oh, I think it's coffee. It's the coffee machine. Oh, it's full. Oh, wow. I thought it was gonna spill over, but it didn't spill over. It started to melt all the way through, and now it's melting in. It fell perfectly into the cup. This is an extremely satisfying video. I love chocolate, I love coffee, and this is the perfect pour, perfect melt. This video is so good that it makes me want to try it. I think that's a sign of a good, satisfying video. Ooh, look at this. He's got a hot griddle in front of him. He's got the squeeze bottle. What is he doing? Whoa. It reminds me of like when you spin a wheel and it looks hypnotizing. This is so cool. He's got so many patterns. He's cracked some eggs in there. I thought he was making this elaborate like pancake, but now I think he's making this elaborate omelet. Whoa, what is this? Oh, wow, it folded up perfectly and he cut it in half, and I just want to pick it up and eat it. These videos are so dangerous. This is why I spend hours scrolling like on Instagram. I just fall down a rabbit hole of watching satisfying food videos, and this is one of them. This is dangerous. Okay, this is a 10 out of 10. I gave another 10. Who is ready for carrots? I'm ready for carrots. They're one of my favorite vegetables. And looks like, oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. Okay, we're grabbing the stems and we're just pulling them out of the dirt, shaking them off. This is super satisfying to watch. I love this. Look at those bright colors too, the bright green stems and then the bright orange carrot. Growing up, my dad had a garden. He was really good at gardening. He had a green thumb and he would grow carrots and celery and tomatoes, and it was just so yummy and so much fun. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a 9. All right, looks like we've got some balls of dough floofing up in the oil as they bake. And they flip over when they bake. Oh my gosh, and they all flip at the same time. How satisfying, how perfect. They look like they've choreographed this routine. Even after they flip over, they keep cooking, and then they cook into a perfect sphere shape. Everything about this is satisfying. This gets a 10 as well. I'm noticing that I'm giving out a lot of 10s, and I think that I'm easily satisfied by food videos. Oh my gosh, is this candy? Taffy. Growing up in Seattle, they had a candy factory and they had a machine like this, and you could watch them make saltwater taffy, and they would just do this all day and it smelled delicious. This visual is bringing back all the nostalgia. I don't even know if this is taffy, but that is definitely a sticky candy, and I'm in and I want to go eat all of it. And I love how it changes color. Like it's this dark color, and then as it keeps mixing, the color lightens. I'm gonna give this video an 8 because I've actually seen this machine do the saltwater taffy, and I think they could have picked a little bit of a better angle. It's pretty satisfying. So this is how ice cream gelato containers are filled. Let's watch. 10 satisfied. I'm satisfied. Oh, look at all those beautiful colors blending so evenly, and oh my gosh, and it just keeps spinning. I could watch this forever. I just want this to be art in my house. I just need this video to just play on repeat on a frame on my wall. I want to go get gelato right now. I gotta go. Okay, bye everybody.
We gotta finish the video, we gotta finish the video.
I'll be back. See you soon. I'll be right back.
We gotta finish the video.
I love watermelon. What am I looking at? Do watermelon, please. All right, someone's requested this. He's doing something cool here. All right, we're wrapping up the watermelon. It's cut into a square shape, and now we're, are they pressing it? No way. Okay, what's gonna happen? Whoa. I want to drink that entire, whoa, and that's what it looks like after it's been pressed. The seeds are completely flat. I thought they would break apart, but the seed just looks like it's been gently smushed flat. I have bought a commercial blender, but I do not have a commercial presser. What is this? I can already feel myself going down a rabbit hole of what else can you press? I gotta admit, I'm pretty impressed because it's pressing. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. This was amazing, incredible. I've never seen something like this, and I want one. What is this? Okay, so it looks like somebody was making a boiled egg and it just went awry. Like it cracked open and it boiled this way, and it looks like it's a huge eyeball on top of the egg. It looks like a cyclops. Oh no, it looks like he's waving. It looks like a little alien is coming out of an egg. Oh, like an astronaut. He's got a little helmet on and he's like, hi. If I was judging cuteness, I would give it a 10, but for satisfied, I'm gonna give it a 6. Ooh, okay, here we go. We're frying an egg. We got a hot pan. We got it. Oh, I love that. It goes all the way around and spirals in the center. That was very satisfying. It's beautiful. Oh, and then removing it all together all at once. No breaks, no tears. Wow, okay, I could watch this a lot. Doesn't spill a drop. Perfectly times it. You know what? I'm gonna give this an 8 though, because he's just using one medium, eggs, versus like the other one we saw. It was a lot of different mediums, but this is good. Ooh, a honeycomb. Oh, wow. I've never seen someone do that by hand before. I've cut into a honeycomb before and it was very satisfying. The smell, the sound, the crunch, everything, but doing it with your hands. There's also something about going from a solid to a liquid, watching that is just so visually appealing. I love it. I'm gonna give this a 10. Oh, we got a little barista action, making a latte. Wow, those are some pouring skills. Hello, artist. Made a little heart. Coffee art is one of those things I could watch for hours and hours. In all my years of making food and decorating, I don't think that I've ever tried coffee art. What does it for me is the amount of detail. There's so many layers of the cream into the coffee. This is a design on top of a design. It's not just a heart, but it's the design at the bottom and then the heart on the top, and it goes all the way through. Oh, satisfying. I'm gonna give it a 9. Wow. It's a 10. Honeycomb gets a 10 every time. It's just so amazing to watch. Everything about this is satisfying. The spoon is filling up perfectly. You can see the honey coming out of the combs. The only thing that would make it better is if I could smell it. Whoa, 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 whoa. He perfectly cut those. This guy's got mad skills. I'm gonna have to try this. He cuts a hexagon on the bottom of the fruit, lines it perfectly. I'm gonna do this when I'm having pomegranate. And he perfectly takes out the middle. He's fast, he's accurate, he's clean. This is so much fun to watch. I'm gonna give this a 10. Wait, no, I saw one little pomegranate seed or whatever these little things are. I saw one little thing fall, so I'm gonna have to deduct a point there. I'm gonna have to give this a 9. What are they doing to this grapefruit? Oh, they're getting detailed. When I was a little kid and I was eating oranges, I didn't love the pith. My mom would make the extra effort to kind of take off the big pieces of pith, like on an orange. It's that white stringy stuff, but this is to a whole nother level. We're in here with tools removing every little piece of pith that even existed on this grapefruit. The only thing that's a little weird is when they're removing the pith right in the middle, it looks like a brain. Okay, we've got a watermelon. Oh, we're carving. Watermelon carving. Okay. Wow, we've got an X-Acto knife. We're getting very detailed here. Oh, this is cool. Wow, the layers on layers. This is gorgeous. This is all hand carved. Oh, you know they practice this a lot because they have a custom X-Acto knife. Oh my gosh. I don't know about you guys, but I love watching people carve stuff and create stuff. I fell down a rabbit hole the other day of watching wood carvers, and this is giving me all of those vibes, but even more because it's food. I'm gonna give it a 10 because I want to watch the video all the way through. I want to see the full design and I want to see all the carving. Oh, don't know what this is. Looks like some type of a vegetable or plant, and they're just cutting a very thin sliver off of the end. Oh, it kind of looks like an aloe plant. It's kind of like see-through and jelly in the middle. I mean, that's cool to watch. This cut is clean. I love looking at the textures. It looks so smooth and so cool. I'm gonna give this video an 8. Okay, we got a request, do tofu. Okay, we're cutting up tofu, cut out a circle, and then chop, 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 chop. I'm gonna be honest, so far I'm not that satisfied. We've just done a little cookie cutter and then a chop, 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 chop. We've turned it the other way, now we're chopping the other way. A lot of fine chops, so I'm waiting though. Okay, that looks really cool. Underwater, it looks like one of those sea anemones. I think it's cool because I've never seen anything like this before. I think it's really unique, but to me it wasn't the most satisfying. This is gelatin art. I have seen so many of these videos. I've never done them myself, but I love watching them. Got a bowl of gelatin, and then they've got a needle, and they use the needle to press. You can use all sorts of stuff like icing, whatever. Okay, I could watch this for hours. It's incredible. Wow. Oh, okay, there's more. What is going on? Oh, wow. For me, watching gelatin art being made or jelly art, I love it. It's a 10. All right, we got a pepper here. That is a cool design. What? It can go up and then go back into itself. This is a first for me. I've never seen peppers carved so intricately. This carving work is amazing, but I don't think I'm the most satisfied. I think I'm gonna give this a 5. Is it impressive? I'll give it a 10, but for being satisfied, I'm gonna have to give it a 5. Oh, this is kind of the same thing, but with grapes. So they've carved it in a way where you can put the grape together and then pull it apart. Almost looks like a little lantern or something. It is impressive that it sticks together and then it can collapse. Oh, okay, you can put the whole thing back together. I would give this video a 10 for patience. You gotta have a lot of patience to carve something so small and have it do this, but I don't think I'm that satisfied. I will give this also a 5. Okay, apparently people love doing this. People are carving everything like this. Peppers, grapes, and watermelon. I'm more impressed by the watermelon because it's just so large and there's so many layers to it. And he's using his hands to pull it apart like in an accordion. I think because of the sheer size and detail of this thing, I'm more impressed. And with this one, I'm kind of a little oddly satisfied. I'm gonna give it an 8. Looks like we got a rack of something fluffy here. Oh, is that cloud bread? Whoa. I just love pulling things apart. It's so light and fluffy, it makes me just want to squeeze it. And then when you get to pull it apart and you get to see all the beautiful colors inside, and there's even steam coming out of it. That's very satisfying to watch. I'm gonna give this an 8. Ooh, got a little bit more latte art. We're using a lot of foam here, all right. And a little teeny squeeze bottle. Oh, cool. There we go, there we go, there we go. Latte art is super satisfying, but for some reason I'm more pulled in and I get more satisfied when I watch the pouring art. But this is cool too. I mean, this looks amazing, but I'm gonna give this a 7. Oh my gosh, it's a hydraulic press. We've got Skittles inside the press. Oh yeah, yeah. It's a 10. Anything in a hydraulic press is a 10. It is so satisfying. It moves so slow, so steady, so strong. Just what are they gonna do under pressure? Explode! I like the few little Skittles that escape out the top and then the rest just turn into Skittle strip. 10. All right, we've got some dough going in this little machine. I've never seen a machine like this. Okay, he's pulling the lever, little lever's going. Okay, it's giving it a little jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. All right. Oh! What? They're perfect little buns. I love it. This went from 0 to satisfying real quick. Mike, can you add this to my birthday wish list?
Oh, this can't be cheap.
I haven't even bought this yet, but I'm already satisfied with my purchase. I've given it a 5 out of 5 stars on Yelp. I'm very happy. Okay, here we've got some noodles. I appreciate making handmade noodles, giving it a little pat. For the holidays, I make my own noodles from scratch with the family. We make homemade pasta, and I love watching people make pasta. Oh, wow! I could watch this for hours. And that perfect fall. Wow! This is a 10. I love it, want some more of it. All right, that does it for satisfying food videos, and look what I picked up mid-filming. Gelato. I just couldn't help myself after we saw that video. That was so good, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Let me know which food video was the most satisfying for you in the comments down below. I personally love the hydraulic press with all those Skittles coming out. It was just so powerful and amazing and fun. But one that I really enjoyed that snuck up on me was that little bun machine. You put in the dough and a shake, 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 and boop, perfect little buns. Also, let me know what other types of videos I should react to, because these are really fun. I'm having a blast. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye, you guys. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here.